everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day. Today's video is going to be a little fun today. It's going to be about BoxyCharm. It's going to be about BoxyCharm. So BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription and basically you get, I think it's 5 products each month. And it is only $21 or so, $21 plus tax or something like that. I'll leave all the info in the description box below. I'm very lucky because I have a person very close to me that actually bought me 12 months of subscriptions for a gift. So thank you so much, Nicholas. That was so sweet of you, and it means so much that you got this for me because now I can make 12 or so videos over all these boxes. So I'm going to be doing October's box and November's box in one video only because I got my October box kind of later and I got my November box recently, so I'm just going to do a huge video on both of them together. Sorry if I sound a little weird today. My throat is kind of hurting and I don't really feel good because I guess the weather's changing, but anyways, yeah, so first I'm going to go over all the stuff that I got in the October box, and then I'm going to go over all the stuff I got in the November box, and then I'm going to apply all the products to my face that I can. So first thing in the October box, I guess the theme for October was alter ego, and all the things that came in this box was a IT Cosmetics mascara. So it looks like this. I've never tried IT Cosmetics except for the CC cream foundation. That's the only one I've tried. Other than that, I haven't really tried anything from IT Cosmetics, so I'm really excited to try this. The next thing is a Cella Beauty Eyebrow Cream. It looks like this. I've never heard of this brand before. This is a weird product because I've never seen an eyebrow product look like this. So I guess it has a brush on one end. Oh, it screws. And then I guess the brow product is in there. Weird. I don't know how dark this is going to be for my brows, so I might have to use another brow product with this, but I'm kind of excited to try it out because it's different and yeah. The next product in the box for October is the The Complexion Authority palette. So this is what the actual palette looks like, and when you open it up, it looks like this. It comes with a highlighter, a blush, a bronzer, and I'm guessing this is another blush, but it's super dark. All of these have a little bit of shimmer in them. Usually I like my blushes to be matte and bronzers to be matte, so we'll have to see about that. And then it has 6 shades in here: a blue, grayish, dark gray color, a brown, a purple, a green, and like a silver color. It's a gorgeous palette. I've never tried Pure. I don't know really what look I'm going for today, so I don't know if I'm going to use a lot of these colors. We'll see. The next product in the box is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I've heard great things about this. It looks like this. It's a very dark brown looking color. It has like a little bit of red in it, but I feel like this is going to be like a brown liquid lipstick. So I'm kind of excited because it's fall and like festy. I don't know. I think this would be super cute. The last thing that came in the box is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisturizing Leave-In Mask, and I actually have tried this many times. After I get out of the shower, I spray it through my hair and I love it. So I'm happy I got a travel size, so when I go out of town for cheer competitions or vacation or something, I can definitely take this with me. Alright, so that was everything in the October box, and now we're going to move on to the November box, which I am so excited because right when I opened it up, I was like shocked because of how beautiful all of these products look. So on the card it says Gold Digger is the theme. Super cute. It comes with the Cover FX glitter drops in Novia. So this is what these look like. So I haven't tried the full size, but I have like a little sample of one that I got from Sephora, and this one is in the one Moonlight. So, oh, this is a custom enhancer drop, and these are glitter drops. Okay, so I'm kind of excited to see what the difference is because I've never tried the glitter drops. The next thing in the palette is the Ace Beauty Grandos palette. This looks so pretty. I love how the theme this month is like gold. It's so pretty. So let's just pop this out. Oh, I love when packages are like matte black. Oh, I don't know, it just looks so nice to me. This is what the palette looks like. This is my kind of palette. I think instead of using the pure eyeshadow palette, I might use this one because these are more my type of colors, and I need this color on my lid, and this one right here. I need it on my lid. Those are my kind of colors, and I'm so excited to see what I can come up with this palette. The next thing in the November box are these brushes. It's called Luxie brushes. No, Luxie Beauty. Okay, so the company is Luxie Beauty, and these are premium synthetic handcrafted brushes, and it looks like this. And super cute brushes because it's sparkly on the end, so let's pull them out. Super cute brushes. They're so small, but they're super cute. I actually only have one other Luxie brush in my collection, and it is this one right here, and it's really beat up and old, but I love this brush. It's so soft, and it blends out my shadow so well. So I'm excited to try these. It looks like I have like a little blending brush, a little like crease outer corner brush, two pencil brushes. I guess it comes with two pencil brushes. It looks like these are the same. Maybe this one has a little flatter. Oh my goodness, these are soft. I'm very excited to try these. These are so soft, and I bet they blend out so pretty. The very last thing that came in my box is the I am terrible at pronouncing names. I'm so sorry. It is a makeup brush cleanser. So that's exciting because I need to wash my brushes. If you just take a look at my brushes, let me just show you real quick. None of them are clean whatsoever, so that's just one of my little jars. I still have so many that are dirty and I need to wash them all, but I'm so lazy, so hopefully this will help out. Okay, so basically, I guess this is just a spot cleaner, but you can use it as a deeper cleanser, so I'm kind of excited to try this out. Alright, so that was everything in the November box and the October box. Now I'm going to zoom you in so we can go ahead and start on our eyes, and I'm just going to fast forward this really quickly, and y'all can just come along and watch while I do my makeup. look of all the products from the October box and the November box. I absolutely love this palette. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm definitely going to look it up after I use this palette. It is so beautiful. Definitely recommend this. It blended out very beautifully. The shimmer shadows look really pretty. I did add a little bit of the Natasha Denona Blackest Black eyeshadow in the outer corner and a little tiny bit in the inner corner, only because I wanted to make this look a little darker. The lip from Kat Von D is a little too dark for me. I don't know if I would wear this together like this, but I like it. So I didn't get to use any of the eyeshadows, but I actually used this blush, which was really pretty, but I used a really light hand, and then I used this highlighter, which is really pretty. The brow product surprisingly worked really good. I hate this packaging. I hate this like little brow thing, and then you have to like dip it in this tiny little tube. It's very hard to get in there, but the product itself is really good, creamy, blended out when I brushed it through. I like that a lot. I just wish it came in like a jar instead of a tube like that. And then the mascara is really good. I'm gonna be reusing this a lot. This actually wasn't my favorite. I actually had to like get a different eyeliner. I don't know if I said this in the beginning. I accidentally forgot, I think. I don't know. But anyways, it's a black eyeliner from this brand, and it actually was kind of scratchy on my eyes, and it kind of hurt when I put it on my eyeball. But other than that, I liked everything else in this box, in both boxes. So yeah, I liked everything else in the boxes except for this. So one item out of all those things that I didn't like is like pretty good deal. Thank you so much again, Nicholas, for buying me these boxes. I love you so much. This was great. Oh, the brushes. So also I really did like these brushes. They're kind of small and kind of like better for more detailed like work on your eyes, not like overall like blending the crease shadow, but like if you're trying to get into your crease like in the inner corner, these are great for that. They're really soft. I loved using this one for the bottom lash line. So I definitely will be keeping these and repurchasing Luxie beauty brushes in the future. Is that everything? The custom drops, they're kind of too glittery for like a highlight just by itself, so I had to add the pure highlight on top, but I am going to use this for like my shoulders, and I feel like it would be really pretty for like on the collarbones and stuff like that. And I think that is finally everything. So that is everything from my BoxyCharm boxes from October and November. I hope you like this video. It's kind of a long one. I did come up with this beautiful look. I love how it turned out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!